Merhaba, welcome to Turkish from scratch. In this lesson, we are going to look at the nouns in Turkish language in a very general framework. As you know, a noun can name a person, an object, a feeling, a condition, and etc. In this framework, we are going to learn some basic Turkish nouns which define mostly objects, and also I will give you some basic rules regarding nouns. Before going on, let's learn the word isim, which comes from Arabic and stands for noun in English. Sometimes ad can be used to refer to isim. Let's start with a very simple rule regarding how to make nouns plural in Turkish. As a matter of fact, we just use the inflectional suffixes ler and lar to make a noun plural. For instance, the plural form of isim is isimler and the plural form of ad is adlar. Let's learn new words and see their plural forms to grasp this rule. Our first word is sandalye, which means chair. It is an Arabic word. The plural form is sandalyeler. Next word is sehpa, which can be translated as a coffee table or a side table. It is a Persian word. The plural form is sehpalar. I should note that sehpa is a common decorative furniture in Turkish homes. Next word is bardak, which means glass. The plural form of bardak is bardaklar. Our fourth word is halı, which means carpet. The plural form of halı is halılar. As you probably know, Turkish carpets are very popular worldwide, especially the ones that are hand-woven. In this context, the word kilim should also be mentioned. It means rug. The plural form of kilim is kilimler. Today, still in some regions of Turkey, handmade carpets and rugs are made with traditional methods. It's a very old rural tradition which is a signature of Turkish culture. Also, in many factories, machine-made carpets are produced. Carpets and rugs are also a very important part of home decoration in Turkey. Next word is şişe, which means bottle. It is originated from Persian. The plural form of şişe is şişeler. Dolap is also a commonly used word in Turkish. It simply means cupboard or closet. It is an Arabic word. The plural form of dolap is dolaplar. I should remind you that dolap has other connotations like deceit or trick. For now, just concentrate on its primary meaning, which is a furniture used in bedrooms and kitchens to store something. As you can see, we can get the plural forms of nouns easily. After a few examples, it will become clearer and I will give you a general rule. Of course, there are some exceptions, but for now, just try to understand the basics. Let's continue with yoğurt, which means yogurt. The plural form of yoğurt is yoğurtlar. As you know, yoğurt is an uncountable noun and it is generally used in singular form. Besides, yoğurt is a traditional food in Turkish cuisine. We consume it along with other dishes such as pilav, which means boiled rice. I assume it can also be translated as rice pilav because the word pilav is also used in English. It is a Persian word and the plural form of pilav is pilavlar. Like yoğurt, pilav is also a popular food in Turkey. You can find various forms of pilav almost in all traditional restaurants. I personally prefer to cook it at home with olive oil or butter. Let's continue with balkon, which means balcony. It's a French word. The plural form of balkon is balkonlar. Our next word is koltuk, which means sofa or armchair. The plural form of koltuk is koltuklar. Perde means curtain. It is a Persian word. The plural form of perde is perdeler. Lastly, şemsiye means umbrella. It is an Arabic word. The plural form of şemsiye is şemsiyeler. As you see, there are many Arabic and Persian words in Turkish. In most cases, they are written and pronounced according to the grammatical and phonetic rules of Turkish. So, they are slightly different from their original forms in terms of formation and pronunciation. As you have probably noticed, there is a kind of vowel harmony while getting the plural forms of singular nouns. We simply look at the last letter of the word. If it is a, I, o, u, it becomes lar. If it is e, I, ö, ü, it becomes ler. This is that simple. At this point, I should note that a, I, o, u are regarded as low vowels. They have a kind of rough articulation. On the other hand, e, I, ö, ü are front vowels. They have a smooth articulation. For now, try to understand the nuance between these two groups of vowels in terms of their utterances. Also, as you see on the screen, there are hyphens or short lines before the suffixes ler and lar. In Turkish, hyphens are used to denote the suffixes. Dashes or long lines are used in some other occasions. It is a separate subject which we will cover later. Now, let's talk about the proper nouns. Before that, I should note that all proper nouns initial letters are written in capital in Turkish, wherever they are in the sentence. On the other hand, common nouns initial letters are written in small letters, unless they are at the beginning of the sentence. This is another important rule in Turkish language. I will give you two simple examples to elaborate on that. Don't bother about the meanings of the sentences. Just try to catch a glimpse of Turkish sentence formation. Also, be careful that we use many suffixes in Turkish. Let's look at our first example. Şemsiyemi evde unutmuşum. This sentence literally means I have forgotten my umbrella at home. You know the words şemsiye and ev, which mean umbrella and home. As you can see, this sentence starts with the word şemsiye and its initial letter is written in capital. Let's see our second example. Bu kalem Ahmet'in. This sentence literally means this is Ahmet's pen. As you can see, Ahmet, which is a person's name, is written with a capital letter, although it is not the first word of the sentence. In addition to that, you can see the apostrophe after Ahmet. In Turkish, in most cases, proper names are separated with an apostrophe. This is also another rule. Lastly, let's give a couple of examples to widely used proper names in Turkey. Ahmet, Mehmet, Hasan, Mustafa and Ali are common male names. On the other hand, Ayşe, Fatma, Hatice, Zeynep and Elif are common female names. So, this is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it and learned how to make singular nouns plural in Turkish, along with some new words. Please feel free to share your opinions in the comments below. By the way, I have made an online Turkish dictionary with a small team of experts. It's called Bir Lisan. You can use it as an assistant. There is also a YouTube channel of this dictionary. There, I am creating some educational videos regarding Turkish language, but it is designed for native Turkish speakers. If you want to watch some pure Turkish content, you can check it out. I will put the link in the description below. Lastly, you can use the official website of Turkish Language Association to browse around Turkish words. Here, you can also listen to the correct pronunciations of them. Thanks for watching. Görüşmek üzere. Esen kalın.